So this house here then, 100 years ago, a man lived here called Peter de Lucre. He had a shop next door, and up the lane beside the shop he had a foundry. And some of the items he was making in that foundry were bomb casings for the IRA. It's not the best place to have a bomb factory. The local police station, the RIC barracks, was just over there where you see the bus stop. So Peter was frequently sent to prison, and one time in 1918 they sent him to Lincoln Prison in England. In the same prison at the same time was the leader of our illegitimate government and rebellion, Eamon de Valera, who had a plan to escape from the prison that was very simple. He was going to unlock a door and walk out. That was the plan. The complicated part was getting a key. Dev was a good Roman Catholic. He used to serve Mass in the prison, and the priest had a master key. So during Mass, Eamon de Valera was collecting candle wax in a butter dish. And when he had enough wax and the priest turned his back, he grabbed the priest's key, made a print in the wax, put back the key without the priest knowing. He then gave the wax to another prisoner called Sean Milroy, and he sketched a Christmas card that depicted a drunk man trying to put a large key into a small keyhole. So the Christmas card was sent out and a Christmas cake was sent back with the key inside it. When Dev tried the key, it was too small. So he went back to Milroy and he sketched a postcard. Hidden in a Celtic design was a larger key. So that was sent out and a birthday cake was sent back with the key inside it. When Dev tried that key, it broke in the lock. On the 23rd of January 1919, while he was in prison in Lincoln in England, Peter de Lucre from this house here was elected Mayor of Kilkenny. To celebrate this, the people of Kilkenny sent him a cake, but in this cake they put a blank key and a set of files, because Peter was a locksmith, and using his skills he was then able to take apart one of the locks in the prison and file down the key that Dev used to escape on the 3rd of February 1919. If by any chance none of you believe that story, you can all go to the National Museum of Ireland at Collins Barracks in Dublin, where that key is on display today. Eamon de Valera, after independence, became the second Prime Minister, or Taoiseach, and third President, or Uachtaráin, of Ireland. Any questions?